Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the highlights on the Prisma application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Select a picture from your gallery and click to the effects button next to the images icon at the bottom of the screen, and here you can find the highlights option next to the under the sharpen function, and just click to the circle and pull the line and done. And if you finish, click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.